Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 1 plus tan t square. Next, we change this one into secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of t square dt. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here to find the value of t. So t equals to number 0. When s equals to number 1, so I will put number 1 gone here. So t equals to b over 4. So this one we put in here. S we change by this one. The s we change by this one. This one we have secant of t square. The square root of secant of t square, we have secant of t. Next, we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to secant of t. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have secant of t tan t dt. dv we have secant of t square dt. The integration of this one, we have v equals to tan t. So we have u multiplied by v, and then we put the bounds from 0 to b over 4. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so we have the integration from 0 to b over 4. So I will put this one gone here, number 0 gone here. So we have the square root of number 2. Next, about tan t square, we change secant of t square minus 1. So secant of t multiplied by secant of t square and negative number 1. Negative with negative, we have positive. And we know that this one equals to this one. So I will put this one go to the right. So this one plus this one, we have number 2. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put the bounds from 0 to b over 4. Next, we put this one cone here, number 0 cone here. So we have 1 plus the square root of number 2. And then we can do about factorization by 1 over 2. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.